What's going on, guys? Jason Riggs from Pizza Wolf Magic here, and I got a special unboxing to do. A special unboxing. So, now see, this is a little bit weird. My daughter, she tried to buy me something for my birthday, which my birthday is May 22nd this year. She tried to buy me something for my birthday off of eBay. And whenever she went to buy it, they accidentally sold it to somebody else on walk-in from the store. So the people sent me a free gift. I have no idea what it is. Do we got the name of the person that sent this?
It looks like their name that they have is Magic Pickers.
Magic Pickers. So, Magic Pickers sent me a free gift. We're going to unbox it, and we're going to see exactly what it was. It was awesome of them to do this. I mean, this is amazing. So, let's check it out. Oh, and the best part is, instead of writing my name at the bottom, it says Magic Man. That's my name, Magic Man. That's pretty cool because I am the Magic Man in this area, so. Alright. First we've got the Shrinking Dog. I haven't seen one of these in years. It's brand new, still in the package. Shrinking Dog. That's pretty amazing. That is really cool. Yeah, now we're talking. Fortune Teller Fish. Oh, we got a note. Fortune Teller Fish. Anybody that's done anything has used these Fortune Teller Fish. If you're Generation X, of course you know. You stick it in your hand and the fish folds up. That's a lot of fun. A lot of fun and stuff like that. My daughter's trying to record too at the same time. Let's read the note. Happy birthday with a smiley face. Then it says, thank you for your business. Visit us online. As a matter of fact, I'll leave a link in the description. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So, that's awesome of them. Let's see what else is in here. We got some bubble wrap. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys ain't going to believe this. I'm grabbing it. It's an antique Svengali deck. Wow. Wow, my God. That is absolutely amazing. And it's the Ace of Spades. Holy crap. Wow. Dude, you made my birthday right here. Just this one thing. As you can see behind me, I've got Svengali decks on the wall. I really like Svengali decks. Holy cow. What a gift. Unreal. Svengali deck. We got more. I have no idea what this is, but it feels... Oh! Color Detection by SS Adams Toy Company. Now, if you ever been to one of my shows, I'm sure you heard me talk about SS Adams Toy. Wow. I don't even want to take this out of the package. Wow. Metal box, and look at that. Holy cow. Magician.org. Wow. I'm going to call these people up. I'm going to tell them thank you. Seriously. I mean, look at this. You can tell somebody's used that. That's unreal. This belongs in the Magic Museum. And they gave it to me for my birthday. I don't even know what to say. I'm like speechless. Wow. And we still got one more item. 2 more items. Maybe more. I don't know. This one's in German. It's a mentalist trick from Germany. Holy cow, and it looks nice. I know what this is. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at them instructions. And here's the cards. It's a mentalist trick with the cards. Oh my God, I wish I wasn't even touching these with my hands. That's absolutely amazing. That is absolutely amazing. And look at that. It's complete. Wow. I don't even know what to say. I'm like lost for words here. This is unreal. And that's the last item. Made by SS Abs Toy Company. Everybody seen me do this illusion right here. This is the Mystic Ring. We got 2 of them. I do them a little bit different than what this has done. This is amazing. These have been in somebody's hands, a child's hands or something like that. And wow. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. I want to thank Rick Fisher. I want to thank Rick Fisher. That's the name of the person that sent this to me. I want to thank MagicCapitalOfTheWorld.com, FabMagic.com. What'd you say their name was on their website?
Magic Pickers.
Magic Pickers. I want to thank. This is just amazing. I'm going to leave a link in the description of all the links and stuff like that. Just because they sold out of an item and then they did me right by, well, did my daughter right by sending her all this really cool stuff. This is unbelievable. This is absolutely unbelievable. I'll perform this illusion, the ring illusion, in my next video by SS Abs Vases or SS Abs Toy Company. Wow. I mean, what are you going to say to that? Thank you so much. I'm Jason Riggs from Pizza Wolf Magic. I want to thank you for your time. And Rick Fisher, thank you. You're awesome, man. I love you. Thank you.